Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a return label on your Shopify store for your orders. So watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we have the first step here is to go to your order so we can add our return labels. So here you will need just to search for your fulfilled items or orders. In my case, I have this order that I have just created. I will need just to click on it, and basically from here we will find many options. There is return, the refund, edit, and print. Here we can print the order page, etc. And there are other options here. So what we are interested in is to add some return labels. So first thing first, we need just to click on return button so we can create a return for this item or for this order specifically. So from here, we can find at the end the return shipping option. And from here, we can add the tracking number and shipping carrier so we can track this order. And basically what we are interested in this tutorial is to add a return label. And basically if you have some PDF or some image for your label, as you can see, those are the file that are accepted. So here you will need just to upload your return label and you will wait for it to be add here, and then you will need just to create the return so you can save these changes in so you can confirm the return. So here if I click on return, of course there must be one return item selected. We need just to use this item and create this item, and from here I will create here, and we need some tracking number. We can do whatever we want and create return, and here the changes will be saved. So basically, in simply, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.